Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the pop-up scam that is related to the site intuitionbotanica.com. This site, intuitionbotanica.com, is totally faulty and very deceptive. This site tries to mislead people and to make them scared about the condition of their computers in order to actually force them into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. Pop-ups by intuitionbotanica.com are faulty and deceptive. Don't trust them. In fact, these pop-ups may be related to some adware which could be enabled on your computer. I recommend that you simply disregard these pop-ups and don't trust their scary alerts. Unfortunately, there may be some other traces of malware on the system. This means that you could be facing some really filthy pop-ups. To urgently block them, I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the application, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.